For many businesses, an excellent survey is the first and most important point of contact with leads and visitors. So, investing in a survey software that can be as wide as possible to provide great experiences regardless of the product you are offering will make a huge difference against your competition. In today's video, we will show you all types of experiences you can provide using SurveySparrow, an online tool that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze customer interactions, delivering a great customer experience and increasing survey completion rates by 40%. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Whatever your requirements are, SurveySparrow has all the tools and alternatives you need. The platform helps you implement an ever-improving end-to-end experience management system. As a result, you can delight your audience by using simpler workflows and automation. Using powerful segmentation, contact management tools, or CSV files, you can easily view visitor participation and optimize your audience's experience, as well as access your favorite HR or CRM software from one place. You can map the complete sales journey, build feedback points at every touchpoint, and continually improve them to achieve an exceptional B2B sales experience for your customers. Good sales experiences can help you better understand the demands of your visitors and onboard them more quickly. Consequently, you don't need to waste your time attempting to communicate with strangers. To ensure a pleasant sales experience for your customers, you can also bridge the gap between their expectations and your presentations. Because of your surveys, you'll have a better B2B sales experience and see an increase in customer conversion rates. Additionally, pre-sale surveys can be customized for each customer with SurveySparrow, allowing you to increase the number of sales opportunities. You can understand how your current consumers feel about the sales process using post-sale questionnaires. Plus, customer satisfaction can be improved by quickly addressing any difficulties. By identifying the most effective ways to connect with your target audience, SurveySparrow helps you achieve your marketing efforts. It is possible to attract more people to your website, increase lead generation, get market data, and plan the perfect marketing journey. With the help of this online survey software, you can exchange market research surveys to better position your product, set the proper pricing, analyze your competitors, find new prospects on the market, and come up with more informed business decisions in the long term. You will be able to create surveys, distribute them online or offline, and glean valuable information from them. Your customers and visitors to your online store can provide comments on their experience. Your brand's product, website, and customer service should all be assessed to see how customers feel about it. You can survey your clients regularly and engage with them by sending out promotional emails, newsletters, feature stories, announcements, as well as coupons, other special deals, and form relationships that will endure a lifetime. Furthermore, lead generation forms can also be used to obtain vital data. Use it on all of your official website's main landing pages. You will be able to gather information about your customers, determine their use case, and create personas for them to share with your sales force. Your product's experience can be improved with the help of SurveySparrow. You'll be able to listen to your consumers, develop features, and give them the most outstanding possible experience from start to finish, thanks to this survey software. Creating and disseminating engaging market research surveys is another way to keep tabs on the current state of your industry. As a result, your product's positioning can be optimized before the debut of your offering. Consequently, you'll be able to use consumer feedback to understand your customers' evolving demands better. Before launching your product to a select set of clients, you can get feedback from your surveys to help you fine-tune it. In addition, you can assess the viability and functionality of your product by distributing beta testing surveys to your early bird clients. Aside from that, you can distribute NPS surveys to gauge consumer loyalty to accompany and conduct transactional surveys after each customer encounter and relational NPS surveys on a quarterly or biannual basis. The most significant way to develop your product is to get quarterly feedback if you're a startup or emerging corporation. Here's where SurveySparrow comes in. Did you see how you can create an excellent customer experience using this survey software? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy SurveySparrow services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see 2 other experiences this platform has for your company. You can assess employees' happiness, job satisfaction, or workplace atmosphere with SurveySparrow. As a result, you'll be able to improve employee satisfaction, foster a positive work environment, and increase output. Your company's culture can be conveyed through a video survey, which can also be used to generate recruitment forms. In this way, you'll be able to receive resumes from the top candidates, interview them, and then hire them. Having a simple onboarding process, you can provide your workers with all of the materials they need and ensure that you collect their feedback. It's also possible to gauge employee happiness with their work and benefits, enhance corporate culture, and learn more about their level of commitment to the company. As a result, you'll be able to keep tabs on the actions of your employees and take proactive measures to boost morale. Now, if an employee leaves, you can find out why they left, conduct exit interviews, and use the feedback to enhance your company's working culture. You can ensure that your customers have a smooth experience with your website by using your surveys as the primary method of communication. You'll be able to use bots to help customers, answer questions, and collect feedback on your website. Using customer pulse surveys, you can collect feedback from visitors and measure their satisfaction index so that you can understand their impressions, provide proactive service, and improve customer experience. If you want to know if your customers will stick around, you can send them questionnaires shortly after they've made a purchase or had an engagement with your business to measure the customer effort score. By utilizing transactional NPS, you will gauge how customers feel about their experience with your business. In light of their most recent contact, it is vital to assess their level of satisfaction. Finally, you can find out why a client left and fix the flaws that led to their departure, therefore lowering your customer churn rate. Create amazing surveys using SurveySparrow by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.